It felt like my hair was a tree branch. Hi guys, welcome to this awesome channel called Divyne. I'm your host, Ryan. Nice to meet you. On this episode, we will be talking about TPH After Dark Overnight Mask, also known as a deep conditioner.
TPH by Taraji. Go get it now at Target.
If you enjoy me and this episode, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much. Now let's talk. As always, I made sure I read all of the directions for this product because I do not want anybody coming for me. I do not want to look stupid. Not on my channel. Not this episode. As usual, we can start talking about the packaging first. It's super cute. The bottle, the jar, the container, whatever I should say. It's really cute. I love the color, but honestly, it's what inside that counts with everything, especially with this. I'm going to read the directions to you. It says to use. Apply to clean hair before bedtime and cover with a plastic clap. I said clap. A plastic cap. Let it work in overnight and wake up to refreshed hair. Rinse out thoroughly after dark. Can also be used 5 to 10 minutes for a quick pickup. If your hair needs extra care after your regular washing, go condition routine. Use once, twice, or 3 times a week. Follow your bliss. So I used this and I didn't like it. Before I used it, I went ahead and washed my hair with, what is it called? Kera's moisturizing shampoo. I went ahead and washed my hair with that, and then that's when I started to apply this. What was so horrible about it is that I guess it didn't like my bleached hair. A lot of people had nice reviews to say. I looked at the reviews after I used it because I'm like, has anybody else had this problem? So many good reviews were popping up, so I felt like I was the only one. But one review finally popped up who had the same thing as me. While I was putting it in, my hair was drying as I was using it. Crazy to say, but it's true. My hair was feeling brittle and it felt like it was just going to fall apart and fall out of my head. But the thing is, my scalp didn't feel that way. My scalp felt kind of smooth. It didn't feel like the rest of my hair, which is the bleach part, but it did feel better. It felt better, but it wasn't all that. I don't know how to explain it. Even though while I was applying it in my head, it was making my hair feel so brittle and so horrible, I kept it in because, I was like, maybe it'll surprise me in the morning. You never know. But next morning, I go ahead and rinse it out, and my hair feels the same. It felt horrible. I had to hurry up and get that out ASAP. I literally rinsed it out and added some, what is it called? As I am co-wash, because my hair loves that stuff. So I went ahead and put that in. As soon as I put that in, I felt moisture in my hair and I felt so much better. I literally thought that my hair was going to fall out using this. Like I said, I'm not sure it's because my hair is dyed, but the person's review, I'm not sure if their hair is dyed too, but it definitely did not go well. Like, it was horrible, but so many people had other good things to say. So I don't know. I'm just like lost of words right now. I was hoping for it to be better, especially since it's an after dark and overnight mask. That's pretty cool idea. Usually I use conditioners and I keep them in overnight without it being an overnight mask. So I thought this was a great idea to use one that is for overnight rather than me just keeping it in because either I'm just being too lazy or I want to keep it in longer and I feel like it would do better more for my hair, which I heard it doesn't, but I did, and then it just like bit me in the ass because it didn't do what I thought it would. Hopefully I'm gonna let my sister try it and maybe it will do better in her hair than it did mine. Like I said, the roots weren't that bad, but it was the bleach part that was just like stuck together and it felt like my hair was a tree branch. I'm being as serious as I can be. What made me think so highly of this product was that on her website it said that it was infused with all these great things that'll help with the hair and everything. And I also heard that there's like silicone in it or something, so that could have also been it. I was watching somebody's video because I wanted to see from somebody else's perspective, and their hair didn't feel so great either. So as all things, some people like it and some people don't. That person personally didn't like it either. Their hair didn't feel stronger and it didn't feel moisturized, it felt dry. So it's good to know that I'm not alone. I got that review on Target, and I also got that YouTube video to see that it's not only me. It's not only me. And her hair was not bleached either. So the fact that her hair wasn't bleached and that happened to her hair, it comes to show that it wasn't me because of my hair being bleached. So I felt pretty good about that. Thank you guys so much for tuning into Real Divyne. I hope you guys got a good kind of insight into this product here, and you can get an idea if you want it or not. I don't know. It's up to you. It's your life. It's your decisions. Thank you so much. I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed day because you guys are all beautiful people. And please do not forget to like and subscribe.